Retrospective 10 or retrospective 30? Which one should you get? This video here I will be comparing the 10 to the 30 so that you can make a decision yourself on which one works best for you. As you can see, the 30 is the same shape as the 10. The difference is the 30 is about 3 inches wider. It is about half an inch taller and weighs about a half a pound more. On the outside, with the extra 3 inches, you do get a bigger rear pocket. The rear pocket will fit an iPad a lot easier. Where on the version 10, the rear pocket being much smaller does make it more difficult to put your iPad in there. You really have to force it in there. Otherwise, the outside differences are the same. They both will have the water bottle pocket here on the side. It fits a very large water bottle. So you can have this, and if you don't need it, you can put it down smaller. They both have the hook on the side here, where you could put, say, a Gorilla Pod if you wish. Fits in there quite nicely. With the 10 on the outside, I feel like when I'm carrying it, it does tend to lean forward a little bit more. The weight isn't as centered. Whereas a 30, when you're carrying it, I feel like the weight is more centered and it holds a little nicer. Now to the inside, we'll see more differences. If we open the 10, the raincoat out here, the 10 has just one big pocket on the inside, whereas the version 30 with the raincoat out has two pockets, two big pockets. These pockets are good size. They will hold the drone. This is a Mavic Pro 2. Fits in there no problems, and you can actually close it. Where the 10 would not hold this on the outside. It does not fit. The other differences here with the two big pockets, both have the issue with the Velcro cover blocking the zippered pocket on the inside. I think Think Tank should have put the straps behind the zipper, but that's a different story. So with the 10 on the inside pocket here, you have, it's hard to see, but you can see here on this inside front pocket, you have your little holders for cables, pins, whatever you need. It is inside this pocket, where on this one with the two big pockets, you do have to unzip to find the inside pocket with the holder for your cables, pins, whatever you need to put in there. Otherwise, they both have these two pockets, one big pocket, zipper pocket, zipper pocket. They have the same pockets on the inside where you can put your items right in here. This one, the version 10, will hold an iPad on the inside. So if you open it up in the back pocket here, it will hold an iPad, no problems. Whereas 30 will hold an iPad or up to 15-inch laptop. I have a 17-inch laptop. It almost fits. It's a real snug fit, so you wouldn't be able to get it in and out very easily. The other big differences on the inside are with the dividers. So the 10 comes with two big dividers. You put your body here. On either side, you could put accessories that you wish, GoPro, some of your drone accessories. Your drone will fit in here if you wish. They also provide two flat dividers and then another foldable one, where the 30 comes with lots more dividers already in here, and then they provide 3 of the flat ones so you can organize it. Both of them will fit your body with the lens. I've had a 5D Mark IV in both of these with a 16 to 35, a 24 to 70, or a 24 to 105 lands attached, and it fits just fine. Very easy to open and get your body out. This one and this one will also hold a 70 to 200 unattached. You could put on either side, it fits just fine. This one here, I did have a struggle with holding headphones. If you have a body in here, any other accessories, putting a pair of headphones in does become a little difficult. Even though it's the same width, depth here, it doesn't seem like it fits in here. With the 30, your headphones seem to fit in a lot better if you have a body or any other accessories, GoPro accessories or anything like that. One other option you would have is using one of these little bungee cables, and you could tie it to this side hook, or you could use one of these eye hooks here. And you could essentially hang your headphones like that if you wish while you're traveling, or you could also tie a lightweight tripod to this as well if you have one on both sides. Other than that, they are the same bag, same material. I myself will be sticking with the 30. It's going to fit my needs a little bit better for traveling. The difference in price is about $30 from the 10 to the 30. It's about $30 more to get the extra size. I'll leave a link to both in the description, so please take a look and feel free to contact me if you have any questions.